Okay, so is this a fair roller set or nah? Stay tuned and find out. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to hang out with your girl. If you are new here, hey, my name is Shrika. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I'm most definitely who you need in your life. Okay, y'all, so this is like my third time attempting to do a roller set on my hair. And honestly, this wasn't a complete fail. I know if I keep doing it and practicing that I'll get better. But the way I feel after this roller set, y'all, I kind of want to throw in the towel and be like, never mind. I'll let somebody else do it. But because I'm not a quitter, I'm going to keep at it and keep practicing. So I wanted to show y'all in real time of what it looked like of me struggling to roll my hair. I don't know. I cannot get my roots straight for nothing in the world. But like I always say, with practice, I'll make some type of progress. So with that being said, if you do have any tips, make sure you leave them down in the comment section below, because not only will you be helping me out, you may be helping somebody else out. So I did watch a couple of videos on YouTube and TikTok on different ways I could possibly roll my hair. So some of them I was rolling backwards, some of them I was rolling forward, which I think really helped with this roller set. Like I think this one I'm gonna roll up, and then I think the one up under it I rolled up, but the one before it, like the green one right here before it, I rolled it forward. I think my problem is my rolling technique, and I may be using the wrong size rollers and probably just not sectioning my hair off right. Like right here, I was over it, so I went ahead and did the rest off camera and came back to show y'all when it was dry. All right, y'all, so this is my hair when it was dry, and it looked really good so far, except when I turn around in the middle. I was like, girl, what was you doing? What was you doing? Um, but I feel like I rolled it different this time, which was good. So yeah, let's take it down and let's see how it looks. So as I was taking my hair down, I was like, okay, it came out better than last time. So I did have like certain spots where it was still damp. And what I did, y'all, I like right here, I just rolled it on back up and took the rest on down and went back and set up under the dryer. Okay, y'all, so this is how my hair looks after I came off from under the dryer the second time, which it doesn't look that bad. If you see my last video, then you know, but if you haven't seen my last video, I'll link it down in the description box for you to see. So I grabbed the Olaplex Bonding Oil, which is also a heat protectant, to put on my ends and through my hair, not on my scalp. And now I'm going to just get my Y2 comb and comb my hair out so I can get ready to flat iron. So now I'm just taking small sections to flat iron my hair, and I do small sections because one, I don't have the heat that high on my flat iron, especially during a roller set, because you don't really need that much heat. I do go with my roots like 2 or 3 times and then down my hair shaft 1 time. Okay, y'all, so this is how my hair is looking afterwards. And I did go in and clip my ends off camera. So now I'm just running the fine tooth comb through it, and I'm going to get ready to part it in half, like top and bottom half. And I'm going to do the flexi rod method. Alright, y'all, so this is how my hair is looking after I took the flexi rods out. My hair is shiny, it's bouncy, y'all, and I absolutely love it. So no, it wasn't a complete fail. Like I said, practice made progress, and if you keep practicing, you will get to the level that you're trying to be on. So this is the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave me a comment, like, subscribe, and definitely share. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.